Safeguarding our client assets is one of Fiduciary's most important foundational responsibilities. We've been serving as a custodian for nearly 100 years and have protected our clients' assets through the Great Depression, several wars, and numerous financial crises. Our prudent management of the firm has enabled us to be a stable and permanent partner to families, family offices, and other investment advisors, and to be relied upon.
What makes our custody services distinctive is our commitment to both technology and human interaction. We believe in delivering exceptional service and expertise through our robust systems and ensuring that decisions are rooted in common sense. At Fiduciary, each custody and client enjoys a single point of contact, backed by a dedicated team. We handle accounts of all shapes and sizes, including specialty assets, employing world-class trade date trust accounting software for full tax law accounting and reporting. Our team is uniquely set up for our clients' success. We're all located on one floor here in Boston, and we can quickly come together in one room if need be to collaborate to solve for our clients' needs. Our high-yield FDIC-insured deposit program, online and mobile access, and efficient processing in all financial operations further enhance the value we provide to our clients.
Our clients are very diverse and come with a lot of complex, different issues. What's important for us is to be able to look at each situation individually and come up with a personalized solution that meets their needs. Our commitment to quality and efficiency extends beyond technology. It's ingrained in our processes and the relationship we build with our clients.
At Fiduciary, we go above and beyond for our clients by being flexible, nimble, and really being able to marshal the full resources of Fiduciary Trust Company for our clients and their needs. Our in-house experts, beyond custody, in areas such as trust, tax, and even charitable giving, are all available to each and every one of our clients to help solve their financial needs. I want our clients to feel that their assets are safe, their transactions are being executed nimbly, quickly, and flawlessly, and that they always have a person to call at Fiduciary Trust to help them with any situation that might arise in their financial needs.